Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine. So, shall we go into the class? Before that, all of you take your pencil, EVS note. Okay, so till 6th chapter we completed, right? So, today we are going to see the 7th chapter, physical fitness and safety. Okay, physical fitness and safety. So, in this lesson, we are going to see about how can we be healthy and fit. Okay, and then types of exercises and then benefits of exercise. Second one, importance of good posture like stand straight, sit straight, walk right, rest and relaxation. Okay, these are all about physical fitness. Then safety. Safety means like safety at home, safety at school, safety on road, like traffic light, zebra crossing, first aid. Okay, so today we are going to see about only the physical fitness. The next class only we are going to see the safety. Okay, my dear kids. So today only we are going to see the physical fitness. So all of you take page number 103. Page number 103. So the first topic is how can be healthy and fit. Okay, so the main thing is exercise, right? So in our body, health and physical fitness, these both are very important, right? So what is mean by physical fitness? So physical fitness means to keep our body strong, at the same time to keep our body healthy. Okay, strong and healthy. So what will make your body strong and healthy? Yes, so exercise, right? So regular exercise. Exercise means not only 1 or 2 days. Regular exercise. Regular exercise keeps our body fit and strong. Okay, my dear kids. So now you take your pencil and you have to point at where I am reading. See, how can we be healthy and fit? Health and physical fitness are very important. Physical fitness means to keep our body strong and healthy. Regular exercise keeps our body fit and strong. See, she is doing the exercise. Did you remember in the morning assembly in our school they will used to make you to do exercise, right? In the morning assembly 5 or 10 minutes. So it's very good for our health. Okay, so to keep our body healthy and to keep our body fit, exercise, it's a regular one, it's a must. So next, all of you take page number 104. So first is types of exercise. So here we are going to see what are the types of exercise we are having. Okay, so what are the types? Walking. Just walking is also a exercise. Okay, ma, walking. Jogging. Jogging means somewhat fast. Okay, jogging. Swimming. See this picture, she is swimming, right? And cycling. I know you all kids will cycle, right? Cycling you all will too. So this walking, jogging, swimming and cycling are some exercise we can practice. Okay. So next, what are the benefits of exercise? It will keep our weight in check. Okay. It will keep our weight in a proper way. We will not get more weight like obese. Okay, so this exercise will keep our weight in check and then it will keeps us active, and this exercise will make us to sleep well and it will helps us to build a strong body. Okay, so these are the benefits of exercise. See, exercise, it will improve sleep and it will make us strong. So what are the benefits of exercise? There are many benefits to exercising. First, exercise helps us check our weight in, keep our weight in check. And the second one, exercise keeps us active. Then exercise helps us to sleep well. Then exercise helps build a strong body. Okay, my dear kids, so these are the benefits of exercise. And what are the types of exercise? Yes, walking, jogging, swimming and cycling or some exercise we can practice. Okay, and then we saw about benefits of exercise. Then we are going to see about importance of good posture. What is mean by posture? Yeah, it's the position of your body when you are sitting or standing. Okay, so in your home, your mother always asks you to sit straight, right? Do you know why? Because it's a form of posture, right? You have to be in a good posture, which means you have to be sit straight. That's the good posture. Okay, so this good posture is important for a healthy mind and a healthy body. It's important for a healthy mind and healthy body. So without a posture, which means without a good posture, you cannot be physically fit and healthy. Okay, so now I am going to say about some of the good postures you have to be followed to be healthy and to be fit. Okay, so the first posture is stand straight. What's the first posture? Stand straight. So when you are standing, you have to be in a good posture. Okay, for that you need to hold your head up and you have to look straight ahead. Okay, you have to look straight. See, she is standing straight like this. You have to do. Hold your head up. Hold your head up and then you have to look straight ahead and then you have to put your shoulders back. Then keep your knees straight. Okay, these are the three things you have to do when you are standing to get a good posture. Okay, so first is you have to hold your head up and look straight ahead. Then put your shoulders back and then keep your knees straight. Okay, my dear kids. And the second one is sit straight. So to get a good posture, you have to sit straight by using the following methods. You have to keep your back straight and then place your back against the backrest of the chair and you have to sit straight. Then keep your feet flat on the floor. She is sitting straight and she is keeping the feet in a flat on the floor and her back is resting on the chair fully. So she is sitting in a good posture. Okay. Then walk right. See, the right posture is this one. Don't bend your shoulders. You have to straighten your shoulders, right? Hold your head up. See, hold your head up and eyes forward and eyes forward. And then swing your arms in an easy and natural way. Keep your back straight. Okay. So hold your head up and eyes forward and then you have to swing your arms in an easy and a natural way. Okay. So you have to stand straight, you have to sit straight, you have to walk right. Okay, walk in a right way. These are the good postures you have to follow to be healthy and to be fit. Then rest and relaxation. Everyone needs to get rest, right? Exercising, relaxing and getting enough rest will help us to stay fit, right? Exercise, relaxation and rest will make our body to be fit and healthy. So sleep. Yeah, sleep is the best form of rest, right? So a good night's sleep keeps our body and mind healthy. Somebody will not get a peaceful sleep in the night, right? But a peaceful sleep will give a healthy and it will make our body fit. And then we should sleep daily 8 hours every day. Okay, so what's the good habit? Early to bed and early to rise is the good habit we have to follow to make our body healthy and to keep our body fit. Okay, my dear kids. So what are the things we learned in this lesson? Physical fitness. How can be healthy and fit? We have to do exercise. We have to relaxation. We have to rest. We have to give rest to our body. So we learned about types of exercise. Walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, and then we learned about benefits of exercise. It will keep our weight in check. It will keeps us active, helps us to sleep well, helps build a strong body, and the importance of good posture. So you have to stand straight, sit straight, walk in a right way. Then rest and relaxation. Everybody needs rest. So sleep is a good form of rest. We have to sleep at least 8 hours every day. Early to bed and early to rise is the good habit. Okay. So these are the things we learned today, physical fitness. So in the next class, we can see the safety. Okay, my dear kids. Then shall I wind up the class? I hope you all understood this chapter. Then shall I wind up the class? Okay, bye-bye. Take care. We can meet in the next class.